Okay, here we go with Noodle Kugel. The first time I looked at these ingredients before I made the recipe, I thought, what in the world is this going to taste like? And then after it was finished, it is awesome. So let's get started with the ingredients. We're going to start with 16 ounces of egg noodles. We're going to have 2 sticks of butter. We're going to melt them. We're going to have 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of cottage cheese, 16 ounces of sour cream, 6 eggs, a cup of sugar, vanilla. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of the cinnamon. And then on the topping, it has a graham cracker crumb topping. We're going to use two cups of that with some of the melted butter. And then we're going to use a can of the cherry pie filling. So let's get started. And first we've got waiting for our pot of water to boil so we can boil the egg noodles. Check back in a little bit. Okay, so our egg noodles are boiling. We have 3 minutes left on the timer. In the interim, we have mixed up all the other ingredients except for the graham cracker crumbs, the cinnamon, and the cherries. So this is the cream cheeses, the cottage cheese, the butter, vanilla, sugar, all those other ingredients. So once these are done, we'll pull them and strain them and get ready for the next step. The next step is to grease and flour our pan. We're going to use a disposable pan so we don't have to wash it later. We're going to use Pam cooking spray. We're going to add a little flour. Shake it around. Get all the sides really good. And then dump out the excess flour. And our pan is ready. Okay, our egg noodles are done and ready to be drained. Then we are going to add them to the cheese mixture. And just mix it up. If you had any cream cheese or anything that wasn't fully melted, once you mix this hot mixture in there with the hot egg noodles, it will melt. Okay, once we got this mixed, we're going to put it into the pan. Looking pretty good. Let me take our floured pan. And we're going to dump it right in. Some very unique ingredients in it, but when it comes finished, it is really good. All right, we're ready for the next step. Okay, the next step is to add the graham cracker crumbs to the top. And then we will put it in the oven and bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. After we pull it out, we'll put the cherry topping on it and you serve it warm, cut it into squares. Here we have it. It's out of the oven with the topping and we've added cherry topping to it, which the normal Noodle Kugel does not have. Yummy! And here we have it, the final serving, Noodle Kugel with cherry topping. See y'all.